A very good evening, everyone. This is Riya standing before you, friends. Today, here I'm going to give my presentation on the topic that why do we feel stressful? What is the reason of our annoyance or our toleration, which we are just tolerating from ourselves? How can we avoid it? Actually, but before initiating to give my presentation, I would like to give my thanks to our respected teacher, Mr. Vivek Yadav, because he has given me this chance to give my presentation on this topic. So now I would like to start my topic. So first of all, I would like to say that actually in our daily life we are doing so many works, and also sometimes we are facing that difficulties of time. If we talk about any professional person or any CA of any bank or whatever, means any CEO, or if we talk any person who is at the professional level, sometimes that person used to have so much thing, but that person feel uncomfortable in his own life. That person does not feel better for himself, but there is a farmer who is always happy. That person have money, but that person can have lack of money, but that person feel well. What can be the reason? If the reason I am able to think, I would say that it is me time. We also in this generation we also me time. Me time means to give time to yourself. A person who is having a better businessman, or what, that person is a higher personality, that person is not getting time for himself. That person is unable to spend the time with his own children. That person just used to tolerate to himself. That person always used to just say to himself that I am only responsible for this. In actual, that person is, because if you are going to give me time to yourself, it means that your mind will fresh. That time we should only just think about ourselves only. We have to think about ourselves. Everyone should be selfish for himself or herself. In these 24 hours, give only half hour to yourself. Why would I say this? Because it is the only time where we feel to ourselves. Actually, if I would say, then there is a very famous thing कि मैंने सबको तो वक्त दिया, पर मैंने खुद को क्या दिया. So it is the time to give time to yourself. Just give time to yourself also. When you are giving time to everyone, you can make happy to that person, but if you are not happy with yourself, then how can you make happy to any other one? Just first try to just think about yourself also. Just we should have a me time for ourselves even. So I would say sometimes I am also unable to give me time. Even I am a student, but I am unable because of my this busy routine. I would not say that I am so much busy or hyper personality, but sometimes it can be. But if I am sharing this thing over here, then it means that I have my own me time, where only I think about myself, that what is my own passion, what I really want. Everyone wants different things for me, and everyone have some expectation from me. I have some expectation from myself. I want something from myself rather than those all people. I don't want to earn. That is another thing that everyone, but I don't want to earn that I will have so much money. I want only thing that because of me, if anyone is being happy, that is another thing. But because of me, if I am being happy, then I would think to myself that I am the luckiest person of this whole world or this universe, because I'm being happy because of myself. If I am able to help to a person or a needy person, then I would be happy with myself. If I am able that a person, that a boy or girl who is just living his right, if I am able to just give his right again, then that will be a pleasure for me. But if my right is being violated by myself, but if I am just ready to fight with myself, and if I am ready that I will give my right to myself, then I would say to myself that in this whole universe, no one is more stronger and most brave than me. So I would say that give me time to yourself also, because when you are happy, when you are satisfied with yourself, then everyone can be satisfied. Thank you very much.